let me go. No, you never come back. The best that you never have. Switch.
First of all, import your clips and audios in Capcut, then add beats to your audio. After that, click on First Clip and adjust its speed using curve option. Make sure to speed up the length of the clip up to 4 seconds from its original length. After adjusting, click on Smooth Better Quality option, then add 2 keyframes at start and at end of the clip. Make sure to zoom at character's face at last keyframe. After zooming in, click on Graph and set the graph like I am doing. Then copy the same clip and apply reverse on the clip.
A few moments later.
After reversing the clip, adjust its speed using curve up to 2 seconds. Make sure the reversed clip match last beat of the audio. Then apply cubic and using graph on reversed clip. Repeat the same process on all clips.
A few moments later.
Last steps, tap on video effect and add oblique blur effect, apply on all clips and trim the effect up to 3 to 4 seconds. After trimming, add 3 keyframes. Start middle and end of shake effect, then set middle keyframe to 100% on the blur and rotate. For the start and end keyframe, set to 0%. Duplicate the effect twice and apply on all clips. Then add shake effect and apply on all clips and add 3 keyframes. Set the middle keyframe speed 45% and intensity 85%. For the start and end keyframe, set intensity to 0%. Copy it twice and apply on all clips. After that, again, add shake effect and at last under all clips. Adjust intensity to 4% and speed to 0%. At last, add tremor strobe effect and place it under all clips. After that, simple export, and your edit should look like this.
Switch!